Hello, this is Christian at Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, and I'm here with a Mercedes-Benz GLA with AMG line. As you can see, the 10-spoke wheels. I'll get to the color in just a moment because this color is very, very special. This is a 4MATIC, so it is all-wheel drive, and it's optioned nicely. So, the color. It's Patagonia red, which, in my opinion, is the best color that Mercedes offers. It's astonishing. It's something magnificent. Inside, DINAMICA inserts in the seats with red stitching that contrasts very nicely to the outside. Has carbon fiber trim as well in the insert. Go ahead and show you this. This one does have a power liftgate, which is super helpful and convenient. You have your seats that fold nicely there as well. The 40-40-20 split. Your vanity cover here. Go ahead and jump in. More carbon fiber weave on the plates on the door cards. Got your 64 color ambient lighting on the door, which is kind of hard to see right now because of how bright it is outside. I'm a bit juvenile, so I turned it to be red to match the exterior color and the stitching. We'll go ahead and see. Got your MBUX controller here. Everything's a touchscreen on this vehicle. You have your controls on the right as well. Tons of customizability with this. You can change all the themes and, like I said, the color, the ambient lighting, you can change all of that. Go ahead and put this back in standard. See how everything changes like that. This car is available currently. If you are interested in getting more information on it, you can reach out to me. My number is 207-510-2266. This color on this car alludes me to the idea that this will not last very long, as it's very unique, especially the combination with the fiber and the DINAMICA. This is just a great city car all around, so I don't see this lasting very long. So like I said, if you are interested, you can reach out to me. Again, it's 207-510-2266. Thank you.